Copyrighted music. Gotta go. These motherfuckers in here farting and shit. I'm out. Fuck that. Motherfuckers in there farting and shit, man. Hell no. Little kid, little white kid over there eating Taco Bell. He just farting it up. I looked over like, boy, did you just fart? I asked him, I said, did you just fart? He just looked at me and smiled. Boy, I'm out of here. They back there cooking farts. He out here cooking farts in the damn lobby, and I'm waiting on the order. Man, all this for $4? He is nasty, but I'm about to show y'all who did it too. That nigga just straight farted. He eating the damn taco and farting at the same time. I cannot make this shit up, y'all. I'm about to mute y'all, but look, this little boy sitting. Bro, that shit crazy, bro. He's in that motherfucker straight farting, bro. He's in that motherfucker straight pooting. I'm like, hold up, bro. I know I ain't just heard somebody poot. Like, I'm not finna say nothing. Oh no, I'm about to say something, bro. Did you just fart in this Taco Bell? Like, that's like the worst place to fart, bro. Is you kidding me? He thought it was funny. Boy, you nasty as hell. What's wrong with you? That's the reason I don't like Taco Bell right there, for that taco smell. And he gave me the worst taco smell. That motherfucker, boy, that's messed up. That's messed up right there. That smell, I ain't even checked to see if that was my order. I just grabbed the motherfucker and left, y'all. I don't even know if this is my order. Honest to God, I didn't even look. I seen the order up, I just grabbed it and walked out. This might even be my order. You know what? At this point, I'm not going back in there, because ain't no telling how many more farts he didn't let out. I'm not dealing with that. No, sir. I'm out of here. Nah, I'm not dealing with that. And this better not be no hand to me. Hell yeah. This motherfucker ordered a Diet Pepsi, a Power Bowl, cheesy bean and rice burrito, but want a Diet Pepsi. It makes no sense. Shout out to, who is that? Three skates? What it do, my G? FDA, stop playing with me. Run it up. Hey, I had to run up out of this Taco Bell, bro. Dude was in there straight farting, bro. He eating the burrito and farting at the same time, bro. That's straight crazy. I ain't never in my life seen somebody eat something that make you fart and let out a fart. It's like he was making room for the new farts. Nah, bro.